Hey beauties! So tonight I'm doing an unboxing with the black Swern wig. It is a ginger piece in particular that I will be styling and profiling this spring 2025. It comes with a manual that you can open and learn more about the product. Things that are important that us wig wearers may want to know. All the good stuff is in here, guys. All the good stuff is in here. I'm very impressed. This is very professionally done. I think this is so helpful putting a booklet like this together. Very well done. Like I said, very, very impressive. I came across this product on Amazon. I thought I wanted to go ginger for spring. So let's give it a try, guys. Let's see how this goes. And on the back of the booklet is the quote that they had on the box. Black is powerful, not only noble. Lovely. And of course, it comes with some complimentary wig caps, which I think is so on point. We can never have enough of those. And this lovely comb, nice touch, guys. I love it. So professionally packaged. This is so impressive. Yay, so I'm so excited. I'm gonna do ginger for the spring season. Oh my God, I'm so excited. This color is gorgeous. It's really beautiful. This wig is so wonderfully done. A nice mesh see-through part, a buckle in the back. I love this. Very professional. And is adjustable as well. It comes with a comb in the back and 2 combs in the front. And they're plastic combs, which is so cool. Okay, so let's get this party started. What I like to do is I like to take these little clips and I like to pull all the baby hairs back before I start cutting away at this, what you would call a lace frontal. I remember when my sister first introduced me to a lace front wig, I thought, lace front? I thought it was like maybe a Victoria's Secret type lace. Oh my gosh, silly me. Tonight, I turned myself into a ginger. Woo, child. It's a whole new me. I'm getting Jessica Rabbit vibes. I need some eyelashes. Let me see. What would it look like if I put some? I really need to work with this. I need to work with this just a little bit more. Let me get to these baby hairs. I need to slay these baby hairs. And I need to work with this just a little bit more. Okay, both earrings in. So I just need some lashes now. Got me some lashes. What do you all think? Do you like the new spring look? I love the color. The color is so gorgeous. I just have to work with it throughout the week. I just have to work with it a little bit more, maybe create some sideburns. Yeah, I just feel some type of way about my sideburns being brunette and my hair is being red. What do you all think? Do you think it matters? Do you like the new spring look? Let me know in the comments below. See ya.